She ate 3 dates daily for 12 days. These are the results of her experiment. Incredible benefits of dates. Have you ever read something about dates? Yes, dates. We can claim that most of the people have no idea of what kind of fruit we are talking about. If you are in that group of people who haven't tried dates, we can assume that you don't know about the benefits dates can have over your health. If you start eating 3 dates a day, here is what you will start to see. The nutrient-rich date. The first thing you'll notice is that dates have some great nutritional benefits. They contain copper, potassium, fiber, manganese, vitamin B6 and magnesium. Here are some of the health benefits dates offer you. Dates improve digestive health. Dates are great foods for digestive health. If you have problems like IBS, constipation or many other digestive and GI problems, or know somebody who has, dates can help. Part of it is the fiber that they contain, and they have been shown to reduce your risk of colon cancer and more. Dates are even recommended treatments for hemorrhoids. Dates as pain relievers and more, containing so much magnesium, which is an anti-inflammatory. Dates work in your favor, relieving the pain and help swelling. Studies have shown that the magnesium in dates can help reduce arterial inflammation, and that lowers your risk for heart disease as well as a host of other inflammation-caused conditions like Alzheimer's, arthritis and more. Dates for a healthy pregnancy. Recently, there has been a study done at US tested how well dates can help with labor and delivery. The researchers tested 69 women and came to the conclusion that if the women ate dates during the last 4 weeks of their delivery, that the labor and delivery was more favorable. Dates also help with weight loss after a pregnancy. Dates for high blood pressure and stroke. The magnesium that is in dates is also helpful when it comes to lowering high blood pressure. So many people are on blood pressure medication in the United States, all the while this fruit might make those meds unnecessary. The potassium that is in dates is also helpful because it helps the heart work more smoothly and reduces blood pressure as well. In addition, there has actually been research to determine whether or not dates had any impact on stroke risk. In fact, there have been no less than 7 studies that prove that magnesium decreases your stroke risk by about 10% for every 100 milligrams of magnesium you ingest on a daily basis. The research was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and clearly shows that dates can lower stroke risk. Dates make the brain work better. There have also been studies done on the ingredients in dates and their relation to brain health, and it has been shown that when you have enough vitamin B6 in your system, your brain actually works better. That means that you have more focus, more accurate memories, and can access information faster. Dates help keep your mind sharp and ready to learn. Weight loss pitfalls. While increasing the amount of fruit you eat can help you slim down, it's important to stay mindful of the quantity of food you are eating. It is possible to eat so much fruit that you hinder weight loss efforts, according to Dr. Melina Jampoulis, a physician nutrition specialist for CNN.com. Jampoulis suggests that you limit your fruit servings to 3 per day. Watching quantities is especially key for dried fruits like dates, which have smaller serving sizes and higher energy density levels. As a rule of thumb, a serving of fresh fruit should be about 1 cup, and a serving of dried dates should be about 1/4 cup. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.